Relax, close your eyes, and picture a group of very naughty monkeys. Every night the monkeys would creep into the king's orchard and steal his delicious apples, plums, and peaches. Would you like to know what happened? Watch carefully. Wow, what a beautiful day! Oh no, the monkeys have ruined my garden again!
Sorry, Your Majesty. We laid traps and nets, but these monkeys are slippery devils. They got away again last night.
We must try to solve this problem together. Remember, I don't want to hurt the monkeys. I just want them to stop eating my fruit. Your Majesty, doesn't eating fruit make you fit and healthy? Yes, I believe it does. I like fruit, but I love cakes. But when I eat too much cake, my tummy feels heavy and sometimes I even feel sleepy. Yes, I also feel tired if I eat too much cake, but I don't get the meaning. If you could tempt the monkeys to eat lots of cake, they would become sleepy. Then they wouldn't be able to run so fast, and they might be easier to catch. Your Majesty, we have noticed how vain these monkeys are. They love it all very well, but I don't see how that helps us to catch those naughty monkeys. We'll set a trap. I will create the most beautiful pairs of sparkling high-heel shoes that the monkeys won't be able to resist. I will make some delicious cake. If their tummies are full with cake and they are wearing high-heeled shoes, they will never escape us.
Good idea. Let's catch these naughty monkeys by tonight.
Wow, it's cake. I love cakes.
Stay still. This could be a trap. We should leave and come back another time.
Yes, it feels a bit suspicious. The smell of cake. My tummy is rumbling. I will take a closer look. Wow, beautiful shoes. I love shoes.
Hey, come back. What if it's a trap?
It doesn't matter. No trap can hold us for long. He will not leave any cake for us. Hurry up, let's eat all the cake. Let's try these sparkling shoes. Wow, delicious. My tummy rumbles. I feel tired.
Sleep well, little monkeys. Sweet dreams.
Let's catch the monkeys.
Oh no!
Take all the greedy monkeys to my private zoo. We can all be tempted by greed to do things that are silly and even dangerous. As long as we are safe and well, there's no reason to take more than we actually need. Hope you won't be greedy like these naughty monkeys. Thanks for watching our Dhamma school drama.